We're going to remove the shackles off the hitch receiver of the truck because they're seized on there and I can't get the hitch in the receiver. So we're gonna go cut those off with the metabo grinder. Who rolled this cord up? It was me. These shackles are the ones that are seized on. I tried PB blaster, torch, heat them up to break them loose, and they will not come off. It's Tony. I'm just gonna cut them off. I'm done with messing around with it. So that is the plan, but it's gonna be a nightmare to cut these things off. Because they thread from inside here. They thread from in here, so cutting them off is gonna be a mess. I'll probably have to cut there and then cut there to get it out, but we'll see. Whenever you're using like grinders or anything loud, I've been bad about it in the past, but always wear ear protection and safety glasses. Now that I'm older, I'm like, oh, I definitely need it. What's up, Mr. Sir? Fire! There's one.
Works pretty good.
It's supposed to be my fire watch, Amanda. You weren't on fire watch. Got the grass on fire. Oh, I've really done it now.
Why is it stuck?
Maybe. Nope. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna hit our shins on that.
But hey, we can get a dump trailer now, right?
Yeah. Yep. That's for you. Don't lose it. Sweet. We're gonna have to bust out the grinder again.